Sustainability is a huge focus for PPG on a global scale. We are finding that our customers are looking for longer lasting products that will bring something new to the marketplace.
Dow has been working with PSX formulators for over 30 years to create multiple generations of PSX technology.
PSX brings us a few beautiful things. Number one, corrosion resistance. Number two, low VOC technology. Number three, fantastic ability for adhesion.
We have focused on improving the weatherability and the physical properties of industrial top coat finishes by creating silicone organic hybrids.
PSX technology brings us something different than the past, which was always a zinc epoxy urethane system. Today, we're able to go in and use just a two-coat system by utilizing a zinc and the polysiloxane technology. PPG and Dow together have created a product that can almost cover any application available to them.
PSX technology is applied on projects such as stadiums, oil refineries, or water treatment plants.
This game-changing collaboration with PPG aims to accelerate adoption of low-carbon, anti-corrosion coating technologies that help reduce the carbon footprint.
PSX was chosen for this project because it embodies the high-performance epoxy and polyurethane all in one coat. Our experience with PSX has been great, providing weather protection and corrosion control. We think the PSX technology is a perfect fit to make it last for many years to come.
PPG customers choose PSX for one reason. It continues to bring us the durability levels that is required by our customers.
So the long-term benefit is that we maintain the beauty of the structure for a longer time, and we reduce our carbon footprint.
The beautiful part of our PSX technology, it is VOC compliant. Almost any customer on Earth can use our finishes. We can actually see technology being used on ocean-going vessels, and we continue to be the leader and innovator in both the marine and protective industries. Sustainability is an important part of our future. We're developing breakthrough technologies, protecting our people and the environment, and helping communities thrive.